Are you tired of typing out go live tweets every single time you go live? Do you want to make it easier on your life and on yourself? Hello there, Code here, and today I'll be showing you how to automatically send a tweet out whenever you go live with the help of Touch Portal. This should be a short 2 minutes video. Wait, what do you mean it's not 2 minutes long? Then how long is it? Oh, you need to have the pro version of Touch Portal which just costs $13. But hey, it's available everywhere in almost all regions and is actually affordable unlike the Stream Deck. Open your Touch Portal app like this and you'll come across a page that is similar to this, or maybe not. It will be a bit different for you, but this is how one of my pages look. And I'll need to come up over here, right about here, and click on the cog icon. Click on settings right here, and then you'll want to come down to and find Twitter. Where is our Twitter? Right here. Once you've found your Twitter, click on connect Twitter account like this. You'll be brought to a page like this, and then you need to enter your username and your password. Authorize your Touch Portal app to access your Twitter and click on save. Sometimes the Twitter authorization window will not pop up. When that happens, click on cancel, and over here in your taskbar, right click on the Touch Portal icon and click on restart. This should generally fix the issue and you should be able to log into Twitter after the restart has been done. Next, come to the events tab over here and click on add event. Give it a name, give it whatever you want. Let's name this go live tweet. And in the event type, you'll be wanting to look for OBS on streaming state. If you're on Streamlabs desktop, then you'll want to be looking for Streamlabs desktop, which should be right here on streaming state change event, right over here. This should be the event that you'll be using for if you're using Streamlabs desktop, but if not, you'll want to go for OBS, which is on streaming state right here. Select that, and once you're done, you'll get this option. So when your OBS streaming is started, you'll want to then search for Twitter and have the action called send tweet selected. Here you'll type in whatever you want. In my case, this is going to be an example tweet. This is an example tweet from Touch Portal. And you can also select an image if you want to add an image to your tweet, or if you tend to do that, you can do that. All you need to do is click on choose, come over here and select an image. So in this case, I'll be going to my downloads folder and selecting one of my GIFs or GIFs or however you pronounce it. And once that is done, I click on add, and there you go. Now it has been added. We'll click on save, and whenever you go live, whenever you hit start streaming button on your OBS, it will tweet out the tweet onto your Twitter. That sounded weird, but it is what it is. To those who are coming in from my previous tutorial, all you need to do is come down to your Twitter name changer over here and click on edit and come down to Twitter and have send tweet. Type it whatever you want. In this case, we'll just go back. You just go back to Twitter go live. You can of course click on any action and you can copy it. So in this case, we'll just copy all selected actions, and then we'll come back to Twitter name changer and just paste this like so. So whenever you go live, it will not only change your Twitter name, but it will also tweet out your tweet, whatever it may be. It may be image, it may be just a message, but it will tweet it all out. Just click on save, and now you're done. I have a bonus tip for everybody else as well. If you don't like this automatic system and just want to have a bit of a manual control on it, and if you don't own the pro version of Touch Portal, then all you need to do is come down to the pages tab over here. Click on pages. In this case, we'll be going to a different page, which will be my production page. You'll want to have the stream button, or it can be any button, but regardless, when you do that, just come down here and find the Twitter, send tweet, and you'll want to add the thing. But in this case, you'll just paste the copy action from before over here. And yes, you can copy paste your actions across any events, anything in Touch Portal, and there you have it. As simple as that. You can now just manually click on a button inside Touch Portal and it will automatically send a tweet out. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like, and if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments below. Be sure to check out my previous tutorial on how to automatically change your Twitter name when you're live. Until next time, bye.